This is the toolkit I carry on my KLR. It's a Mosko tool roll. It's worked pretty well for me. On the outside here, it's got some slots for some tire irons. These are irons that are also wrenches, and then got these two in here. So I carry those on the outside here, just 4 irons. And then on the inside, has some more stuff in it. This thing is a jack. I used it once. It works. It's so you can change the tire without putting it up on a rock or a log or laying it on its side. This is only used for that. And in here I got chain tools and Allen wrenches. And these are just Allen wrenches, and I got some valve stems in there. Some caps. And in here I have this little ratchet thing, and sockets and extensions. I have little Allen heads and stuff. This is for the spark plug wrench. Just got a bunch of sockets that fit the bike in here. And then I also use this T-handle wrench here. It's a Tusk. And in here I have some Loctite. This is JB Weld. And then I got some chain links in here, master links. That's it for that. And then in here I have some tape, some zip ties, and an extra spark plug. It's in this little case here. Yeah, that O-ring went bad. Have to fix that. Oh, it's not even a new plug, but anyways. This is the tool for the springs on the exhaust. Kind of having second thoughts about carrying this around because I've never had to work on any of that, but it's pretty light. I switched out most of the factory tools with these. These are ratcheting. They ratchet on both sides. Comes in pretty handy when you're working on them out the side of the road. The tools that came with the bike are a little harder to use, so I just got these. I only carry the wrenches that actually fit the bike. I don't carry extra stuff. These are pretty light. That's the spark plug tool. There's another wrench I probably don't really need. I carry these little pliers here, or crescent, and they're pretty strong. I use these on the cotter pins and other things, and they work pretty good. And I wrap tape around the handles, just never have enough tape sometimes. And this is a wire cutter, same crescent wire cutter. It's handy for if you put a zip tie on, you can clip it, and you can also cut wire, and if you're careful you can strip the wire And that's it. I got some more tire tools in the saddlebag, just a compressor and some other stuff, but this is most of my tools for the KLR.